Our next problem is the threshold frequency mu naught for a metal is 7.0 into 10 raised to minus 14 per second. Calculate the kinetic energy of an electron emitted when the radiation of a frequency mu is equals to 1.0 into 10 raised to 15 per second hits the metal. So what they are asked to just try to understand, this is our metal, this is our metal, this metal having its threshold frequency. I already told you in a previous class, every metals have a different characteristics of their threshold frequencies. Threshold frequency means a minimum frequency or a certain frequency to see the photoelectric effect. So see here that the minimum frequency required to see the photoelectric effect by this metal is what? Mu naught is equals to 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 per second. What they are said to us, what they told to us, just I say simple language here. When I incident the radiation having the frequency 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. This is the minimum frequency I applied here. Then what happened? Here the emitted of electrons takes place. If I applied the radiation, if I apply the incident radiation, that is a total frequency mu is equals to 1.0 into 10 raised to 15 per second. Then what happened? These ejected electrons are ejected with certain amount of a kinetic energy. They asked about that kinetic energy. They asked about that kinetic energy. So see here, calculate the kinetic energy electrons emitted when the radiation of frequency, how much frequency we applied here? 1.0 into 10 raised to 15 per second. When we apply this much of energy, then the incident radiations are hit this metal with this amount of frequency. Then what happened? With a certain kind of a kinetic energy, the electrons are emitted out from this metal. They asked to find that kinetic energy. Already you know that E is equals to h mu, and according to Einstein's photoelectric effect, then what happened? What type of energy they are asked to us? Kinetic energy is equals to h mu. Kinetic energy means half mv square is equals to h. Mu means mu minus mu naught, mu minus mu naught here. So by this help of this formula, we have to calculate the kinetic energy here. H means Planck's constant. Already you know that the value of Planck's constant, that is about 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. Then I applied here, I put these values here, 6.626 into frequency is 1.0 into 10 raised to 15 per second minus the threshold frequency is 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 per second. So then what will be the answer here? Just I wish to simplify these values. 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34. Just I shift this decimal point to a one digit. 10.0 into 10 raised to 14 per second minus 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 per second. Now what happened here? 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 10 minus 7 is 3 into 10 raised to 14 here. 10 raised to 14. Then what will be the answer we got here? That is about 1.988 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. 10 raised to minus 19 joule. So this much of kinetic energy we got when we incident this much frequency of electromagnetic radiation on this metal. So this is the answer to this question. I hope you clear about this method or to solving method about the numerical. Okay.